I'm really happy to be back here in Ras Al Khaimah. I was here 13 years ago when I won a race and ran my personal best. And it's a great opportunity to be here again to run a great race as well. My preparation is really good. With the great feel, stiff competition, that's really what makes a competition really nice. And for me, it's really good to have a challenge. And I'm looking forward to that great challenge tomorrow.
For my preparation is good. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I can run my BB. I prepare for marathon this year. So I said I go to rack and improve my time.